Private rents in London fell slightly in July for the first time since 2021, as Britain emerged from the COVID-19 lockdown, indicating that the capital's cost of living crisis is beginning to ease. According to Land Registry data published by the Office for National Statistics, rents fell by an average of 0.1% to £2,250, $3,036 per month, after 3 months of stagnation. The last fall in London rents was in July 2021, according to the German news agency dpa. Rents in the city of 9 million people fell by £2 compared to a month earlier. A figure not felt by tenants struggling in Britain's most expensive housing market. However, this decline represents a significant moment. Ending 4 years of excessive rent increases that pushed rents to nearly 30% above pre-pandemic levels. Tenant count real estate market experts said that more rental properties are coming onto the London market, while the growth in the number of tenants is slowing. Among the capital's 32 boroughs, the largest monthly rent decline was recorded in Brent, where rents fell by 1.3%, followed by Camden, Hammersmith and Fulham, Southwark, and Kensington and Chelsea. London's annual rent inflation rate fell to 6.3% last month, its lowest rate in more than 2 years. There were more than 46,000 privately rented properties last month, a 14% increase on the previous year, according to lettings agency Association Property Mark. A separate survey by Property Mark indicated that tenant demand in London has slowed in recent months.